Hey everyone, so I wanted to make a video of what you are going to be doing today and a little bit of where we left off on Friday. On Friday, you watched a video on different ways on how to multiply decimals. The first way we're going to do this on Google Classroom and practice is using this grid method. Now, you have two colors down here. I don't care which one you pick first, as long as you know which color is representing what number. So because I like blue, I'm going to use blue for my first number. And if you think you're going to forget, I would just put one right above it so you don't forget. So here's blue. I'm going to start up here, drag it all the way down, grab another one, drag it all the way down. Now I only have two, but I have this number that tells me I need 3. So I go ahead, put one more up there. On my grid, this represents 3/10. Okay? Now I need to go to my 7/10, and I'm using the pink block because I put my little reminder up here. So I go down over here. I do the same thing, except I need to do it 7 times. Now, 7 times is quite a bit. So if you know shortcuts on how to copy and paste on your keyboard, or if you want to right click, copy and paste just to make it faster and easier for yourself, you can. I'm going to go ahead and do that. We got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and last one, 7. Now, you don't see any numbers on the grid. But if you know your math facts, or if you want to count them one by one, think of it as area, and you want the ones that overlap. So you have 1, 2, 3 up top, and on this side you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I know 3 times 7 is 21. Here's the catcher. You see you have a decimal because we're dealing with decimals. A lot of y'all might be asking, where do I put the decimal? I thought it goes straight down like adding and subtracting. Oh, no. There's different rules in multiplying with decimals. You need to count the amount of numbers behind the decimal. So we know this is the ones place, but we're looking behind the decimal at the tenths place. There's one number behind right here. And in our 3/10, we have one number behind this decimal as well. So that's 1, 2 numbers behind the decimal. So I need to make sure my decimal goes in front of my 2 and 1. You can put a placeholder if you would like, just like they have in this example. I'm not looking for that right now. But this picture on this grid and your problem that you have, it equals 21 hundredths. That is what you're going to be doing today. You're only doing one of them today. Happy math!